like to introduce Karl Lagerfeld, who has been such an extraordinary friend to me and colleague for more than 30 years. And Terry hasn't given me enough time to really lay out all the incredible achievements that Karl has accomplished in his life. That would take another 30 years. So what we've tried to do is just give you a little hint of all the amazing, amazing things Karl has accomplished through a super short film.
C'est passé, ça veut dire, c'est passé. Hein.